Notice the sizzle. Welcome back to Cook It Simple with Eric. Today we're going to do a short video on how to brown hamburger the simple way. I like to use 80-20 when I brown hamburger. Gives you nice fat content. You can use brown hamburger in spaghetti sauces, lasagna with the sauce. Many recipes you can use it in. We are going to use this in an upcoming video to where I make spaghetti with the homemade Italian tomato sauce. So tune into that. Let's get to the stove, get this hamburger browned. I've been preheating my skillet for about 3 or 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Notice the sizzle that we're getting with that. Now I like to use my Pampered Chef hamburger chopper. Now all you got to do is just break it up into little bits to your size, little pieces. Throw the hamburger off the back of the skillet. That's always good. I'll retrieve that here in a minute. But basically what we're going for is we're going to let this go on medium-high heat. About right there for now. We're going to let that cook down. And ultimately we want to get a little bit of a caramelization on the burger by the end of this process. So we'll come back when it's ready. We are about halfway through what we want. I think it's been about, 4 minutes at this point. Right now you can break it up a little bit more. I'm going to want a little bit smaller pieces for the sauce that I'm going to put this in. So, let that cook up a little bit more. And then when it's completely browned through, we're going to put it in, we're going to drain the grease, then we're going to put it back in the skillet for a couple more minutes to caramelize. There you have it. I went ahead and drained the grease off already, threw it back in, still at the same higher heat. I just want a little bit of caramelization on there, but you definitely don't want to overcook it. So to me that looks good. I can't tell on camera, but you've got some browned edges, some caramelization going on here and there. So there you have it, browned hamburger. At this point, if you need to season it, go ahead and season it. If not, add it to whatever sauce you're using. There you have it, perfectly browned hamburger the simple way. Keep your eyes out for an upcoming video that this hamburger will be used in, an Italian tomato sauce that I make from scratch. Tune in, check it out. Thank you.